Hi, my name's Eric. In this video, I'll show you how to open the doors on your Whirlpool oven when the stupid things lock themselves shut. Make sure you stay till the end, and I'll point you where to go if you want to fix this yourself and save at least 600 bucks. This is all you need to open the doors. This is made from a wire coat hanger. It's about 18 inches long with a little hook on the end. I've already fixed this problem on my own oven so I can open the door and show you. So that metal hook in the center of the screen is the culprit if yours is getting locked shut on its own. Back behind there is the lock mechanism. It's the same setup top and bottom. Here's the magic in action. Take the hook you made, drop it down behind the door, pull it along, you'll feel it catch the hook, pull, voila, get your apple pie. Drop me an apple pie emoji in the comments. Then go to this video and I'll show you how to save yourself 600 bucks fixing the root of this problem yourself.